Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am having another product with me today. It's from the Walmart. I bought this Google TV. Company name is On Google TV. So this is a 4K streaming box from On, and I bought it from Walmart, and this cost me just $20. So it's very cheap 4K Google TV dongle that you can buy right now in the market. I think it's available in the most of Walmart, I think. So I'm not sure is it their own brand or some third party. I don't know anything about this company. This is the first time I'm trying this dongle. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what comes inside the box. So package opening is very simple. You just need to remove this box. Okay, so box is empty now. Let me open this box. Very good packaging, easy and simple. Comes with the charger, and I think this should be a it's old USB charging. I think have some documentation. I don't need that right now. And this is a dongle itself. What else? Okay, so they do come with the remote. Very nice remote. Also they provide this two batteries, I think AA batteries, I think this one. So very nice, they provide that, so you don't need to find. Also comes with the HDMI cable, I think. Yeah, so it's for a TV connection maybe, I don't know. And nothing else, everything is empty now. Let me put this inside back and put it in a side. So very simple. Let me open this dongle first, how it look. Okay guys, so I just unboxed the wrapper and this is how it look. Very small, handy, easy to put anywhere back of your TV. So let me power on and connect to my monitor. I have this monitor that I am going to use to start this dongle. So let's see how it look when I started. Okay guys, I just started this TV dongle. I need to connect with my HDMI port. So let me connect to that first. I did not want to use this HDMI because I already have my HDMI connected to this monitor. So I just need to directly insert here in this port, and it should be show up in my monitor. Okay, I just connect with an HDMI and it's now showing up. So I need to pair this remote first. So I need to install this two battery first. Let me do that. So guys, now let me connect first pair. Okay, so it's automatically get paired. Now I just need to set up. So English, United States. Okay, set up with the Google Home app. I need to set up with the Google Home app from my mobile. So let me find one mobile so I can use, because I am recording on my phone right now, so I need another phone. Okay guys, so I have another phone. I just started this home app. Now I just need to add a device. So I don't know how I do that. First let me find device. So I already have few devices. I need to enter more device. So let me see how I can add that. So I might need to scan QR code. So no options. Okay, so show option, search web. Okay, I don't know what happened. Oh, I have to find another phone. That phone didn't work. So let me connect now. So first let me add new device. So set up new device. So I just have permission show. I just give it the permission now. Let me go back and so looking for the devices now. Google TV device found. Yes. Let me scan the QR code now. Okay, so scan QR code is fine now. Connecting to Google TV device. So it's doing its setup thing. So connected. Perfect. We just need to follow the instruction. Connected. Very nice. Accept. Any room you can select. I just put it on TV. I need to set up my password for the Wi-Fi so it connect automatically later on. So it's connecting to Wi-Fi now. Hopefully it connects successfully. So let's check out the remote, guys. This remote looks perfectly alright. They have some shortcut button for the YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus and Paramount, so that also very nice. So I like the remote, guys. The quality of the product is not bad. It's look good. It's look like a very nice 4K device. Hope it work out also well, very fast and responsive like Google TV. So I just bought it I wanted to test out some product from the Walmart, so that's why I bought it, and hope it work as good, because I am also planning to give it to my friend if it work perfectly alright. So guys, it's asking to log into my Google account, so I am doing that now. So it asking for me to some other questions that I am going to skip for now. Hopefully my device is now set up. I'm not going to do this all the things, no thanks. So I'm not doing it. There are so many questions asked. I'm not going to do it now. My device setup is finished and now it's coming up online. So setup remote, let's see. TV is fine. Oh, I'm not going to do it. Not now. It's fine. I am not. I just let me. So it currently I think installing some app for the first time. It's boot up. That's why it's installing some app like a YouTube or any other app that you need. It's automatically. I don't need to do anything. You can later on I think also install the more app in this device. I'm not sure right now how much memory it provide. I don't know. Let me check on the box if they said anything about that. So this is the spec, guys. It's a 4K Ultra HD high definition resolution Dolby audio, quad core processor, 2 GB RAM with the 8 GB storage on board. So it support the Wi-Fi also, and yeah, so very simple and straightforward. It provide all the information on the box, so that's very nice. So this is what it comes inside the box. So this is the app, guys, maybe pre-installed. So let's see how it look once it installed. So it's about 36% already completed. hoping it's very fast complete the setup, and we can see the front screen of this device, how it look. Home screen, sorry. I'm feeling like this device might be slow compared to the Google TV 4K device. Hope it's not that slow that you can't use it easily. So let's see once it's set up and see how it responsive or not. So it's showing it's installed almost 100%, and in a short time it's come. Okay, let me click on this. Okay, so guys, this is the front screen. Okay, so it's not that slow that I thought of. So very nice. Let me start the YouTube first. Okay, so okay guys, so it's showing up all the videos. So it's usable, definitely. It's not like very fast like Google, but it's not bad. Let me start this video and see how it look. Yeah, it's not that slow for sure. Definitely worth it for $20. Very nice device. So guys, so you can convert almost. So guys, as you can see, the video is playing very fast, so I can definitely use it like an very nice streaming device. So it doing the what it supposed to do, so that's good, and it's very fast and responsive. I thought like it's a slow, but it's not, definitely not that slow. Okay, so let's see what kind of app it's supposed right now pre-installed. So yeah, so most of the app is pre-installed here. You can install the more app. Very nice guys. So definitely worth it guys. If you are looking for the very cheap Android streaming device, then definitely go check out this device from the Walmart. I definitely recommend. You can give it as a gift. It's very cheap gift for just $20. Hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. I'm definitely post a new video whenever I have something to show up. So hope you guys like this video. For so far so good. So have a nice day, take care.